Alright, it's a little bit loud down in the gardens today. Remember, I live in a second floor apartment. So I did this here, first true radish harvest. I did take one or two out and make a video. I never put it up yet. And that was about a week ago. So here, they didn't come like I thought. Eventually I found out that they were single radishes. I always thought, like in the store or something, maybe it's just the way they were wrapped. I thought radishes grow like in bunches, not just single. But anyway, you can see that after about 30 days, I got some nice sized radishes down there. The ones in my, I'm going to show you real briefly, but the ones in my pots, which aren't in heat, because these aren't supposed to be in heat, they're supposed to be in cooler weather, but they're down in the real scorching heat, although we haven't had pretty much that much heat until about the last week and a half. 85 to 95 and then close to 100. Now it's back down to about 88. So I don't know, 2, 4, 6. Now notice this one right here. It looked like it was going to be something, and the leaves were really big, but it was really tiny. Should have stayed in a little longer. But they're usually around this size. One was a little bit bigger, but I'm happy with that, and I'm going to clean off for dinner because the radish greens I ate last time were so good. They tasted so good. So I was happy with this, although I did put a lot down. I probably put down about 15, 20 of each kind of radish. They were basically the same. They just had a different name to them. And they both were like 25 to 30 days to grow. I would probably have put down about 30 to 40 seeds. So there's maybe about 5 more in there. The rest either didn't come up, or for whatever reason they'll come up later. Although I did have to redo it once because of the cat and everything scratching in there. So we'll see what happens. But I'm happy with that. And the good thing is a lot of greens and no bugs, no aphids or anything like I noticed upstairs. So let's see if this works. I hope my camera didn't flip on me. So they look about the same. They're a little bit less, these radishes, but let's see if I can show you one. So I don't know if you can see that. So what it is it's still kind of popping out of the ground and being like a thin carrot type shape down into the ground. The rest of them are in the ground and I can't really see them popping up yet, but here's a good example. You see that? Like thin, long, popping out of the ground, even though I put them in the 2 inches deep that they're supposed to in loose soil. So we'll see what happens. Here's some more. They just don't look like they're going to be doing anything. But at the very least, I'll have greens on these, and we'll take it from there next time. All right, cool.